Morning. Welcome to Cooking on Carrera. It's Sunday, November 17th, and I don't know anything about cooking, but I'm building a big kitchen. My wife Gail and I are building a big outdoor kitchen with lots of appliances, so this is the first of the build. I'm going to show you where we are so far. The plumbers came in this week and they tied into the existing sewer line. Right here, that's where they tapped into the existing sewer line, and they brought they came out of, let's see, where is it? Oh, it's down here farther. But so they got this sewer line. They had to leave the couplers exposed for inspection. And not sure when the inspection is going to happen. This thing's probably going to go kind of slow. But, and in the bathroom, oh, right there in the bathroom, they tapped into the hot and cold off the water heater inside the bathroom and ran that down the same ditch. And then coming out here, so here's their sewer line and their water lines. So right here is going to be the bathroom. They got to redo this form. This was an afterthought. We put the forms up, then I decided to add a bathroom. So right here, that's going to be the toilet, that big pipe. And then over there is going to be the sink, those 3 pipes there. And so they're going to come in and take this form and come around the bathroom. Like I said, it was an afterthought. And then they've got so right there where that pipe's going up over in the corner, that's going to be a tub sink, and there's the hot and cold water for it. And over on the far side is going to be a refrigerator, and there's a pipe running up there for the water supply for the ice maker. And then they sent another one in around the corner so that we got a hose bib back there in the lanai. So when I want to pressure wash the lanai, I've got water in there. So this is the beginning of the build, and here's the farm work. There's going to be a door going out the other side, and there's going to be a little dog run on the other side so Lacey can go out and potty on her own anytime she wants to. Yeah, there'll be a doggy door for her to get in and out. And we got a couple of big birds coming around here. They want to see the action on the kitchen, so they're the inspectors.